All right, so you take the oil cap off here because that keeps the cover on. There's a 10mm bolt here that comes out. Then this comes off. Just know that this just plugs into there, it holds it on. So we're taking that off and putting it off on the side. And here's the two solenoids. 1, 2. They just pinch. Pinch them together, pull them off. As you can see, there's a 10mm bolt holding this one on, 10mm bolt holding that one on. Unplug these two, take those bolts out. Both solenoids will slide out individually. Gray is in front, the one with the black top is in the back. Replace in the opposite order. All right, so you can see gray, black. These buggers are a little hard to get off. You gotta squeeze down with your thumb. You can see in there, that will move that to get over this little clip. Then you can see the two 10mm bolts. Take those out and these things will just slide on out. The other ones just fit right back in there exactly how those go back in. Reconnect it and you're good to go. All right, so this is what it looks like when it comes out. What I did was, as it's sitting in there, I mean, it sits in there kind of firmly. So what I did was, obviously, imagine that's still in there. I took the screwdriver and went down in here and basically wedged it underneath this flange, worked its way under as I was, you know, twisting it back and forth. I popped it out with the screwdriver. It'll just pop loose. It's not, shouldn't be too difficult, but it doesn't just slide out.